This is a Sure 25 valve with an SCC10 controller in it, and this video is going to walk through how that gets controlled by RMS's fluid level monitor. The valve has been configured such that it will open when there is 0 voltage applied to the controller, and it'll close when there's 10 volts DC applied to the controller. So you can see that we have some wires that are coming into the top of the SCC10 controller, and they're basically coming into these 3 channels that are here. Now those wires, they are bringing the voltage in that controls the valve, and they're also reading a voltage out that determines the position of the valve. And those come in on 4 wires right into this terminal here. On the other side of the valve, you can see we're bringing in power as well. There's basically AC power coming in to this larger terminal strip on the back side of the valve. Now, both the power and the control lines are coming into a portion of the switch that is in a Class 1 Div 1 NEMA 7 explosion-proof housing, which I'll show in place here in a moment. Now for this video, we're bringing the wires in just through this conduit port. Of course, normally there'd be a conduit attached here that would enclose these wires. So here we can see the operation of the valve. The valve is powered up, and I have a fluid level monitor controlling it. If the fluid level monitor, right now there's 0 voltage being sent from the fluid level monitor and the valve is open. If the fluid level monitor sends a closed signal, which I'll do now, you can see that the valve closes in about 7 seconds in response to that. If it then either loses signal or the fluid level monitor sends a 0 voltage signal, you can see it opens up. Sometimes when it opens up, it takes 2 or 3 adjustments to find its home position. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you the safety fail. So if I close the valve again from the fluid level monitor, and this time I unplug or lose power to the valve, you'll notice that it fails in the open position. So I'm going to go ahead and remove power from the valve. So there's a spring inside of the system that allows it or forces it to fail open. And likewise, if a signal was lost from the fluid level monitor, it would fail in the open position as well.